What's up, YouTube? The Random Outdoorsman is back from the top of Seneca Rocks. Today, we're going to be forging our first knives. Steven's out of a piece of rebar, and mine out of a half-round file. So, on to that. I hope you enjoy. Our pieces of metal in the forge. Getting pretty excited. Probably going to be ready to pull out here soon and start forging. Okay, so about to sharpen it up. See how this goes. Alright, so here they are. First off, Steven's knife. I think he did a really nice job with this. As I said before, it was a karambit. He seemed to do pretty well, just he's working on hitting a little bit harder, as am I. Because as I watched back through the video, I realized I wasn't swinging the hammer as hard as I could have. So that probably will help both of us move the metal a lot faster. I think his ended up really nice. It feels great in your hand, especially with that little hook there at the bottom. Then on to mine. I had a little issue with mine when I twisted this handle here. I think I got pretty nicely squared up this little section. But when I twisted it, it was too cold, so it fractured. So I have learned from breaking the first set of tongs and then also from cracking this that it's just good to make sure the metal's nice and hot before you start doing any like high pressure stuff on it. The back ended up okay, but not quite straight. Wasn't very happy about that. I was successful at getting it tapered here and then down to here. Didn't get it extremely sharp because it's just going to be display, but I'm pretty happy with it. If I had to give any advice to my previous self before forging these, I would say to swing the hammer harder. So that's what I learned from this. I'm sure Steven learned plenty, but he's not here to tell that right now. So until the next video, see ya. Happy trails.